I honestly thought I was going to be done with this series, but here we are, and you guys keep throwing out suggestions that keep me awake wondering if it's possible. So here's another Cheong video, but this time we're going to do garlic. For those who are new here and confused with what Cheong is, it's a method of preserving and also extracting a syrup from fruits, but we don't really do things normally here, so we're going to try and start a garlic and chili Cheong. I have a buttload of garlic ready peeled, and I almost always buy my garlic like this from my local Asian store since I hate dealing with garlic skins when your hands get all sticky with garlic juice. I'm going to cut off all the bottoms of the garlic cloves, and this took a while since I couldn't really figure out any easy way to do this. I also cut up a couple bird's eye chilies just for a little bit of spice. I don't want to go overboard on it, but hopefully this many chilies would be just enough to bring in a little spice. Weigh everything, then add the same weight in sugar. You can use any type of sugar, but I like to use regular white caster sugar so that I can see what color the garlic will turn in the jar. I put everything into a clean and sterilized jar, which I've allowed to completely dry off to prevent any extra moisture from affecting the extraction from the garlic. And for this one, I'm going to leave it in the corner of my kitchen at room temperature for however long it may take for the sugar to completely dissolve. I also am curious to see if this will ferment a little bit and maybe impart some extra flavor, so I'll have to keep an eye on it and let it burp every so often just to prevent a little garlic grenade going off in my kitchen.